Hey there, it's Steve, and I am here to draw maybe a cranky looking duck. Let's get started. Let's get ourselves our big circle going here. And we're going to do another little circle here, another little circle here, and kind of an oblong type circle here, which is just going to give us our basic shape. We're going to do a couple of big circles like this. And then we'll kind of rough in the head here a little bit. There we go. Just some room for feathers. We'll kind of get some feathers here at the top. Give them kind of a punk look here. Okay, let's shape in this beak. Do this a little, rough this in a little bit better before we start inking this one in, because this guy's a little more detailed. Okay. We're just going to rough out this beak a little bit. And this is kind of like the outside corners of his mouth. We'll bring that in there, and then we're just going to do a bottom lip part of the beak here. A couple little things here for his nostrils. Let's get those eyes in a little more detailed. Do a little bit of the eyelashes that go over his eyes. Okay, we have him pretty roughed in here with the pencil. Let's get that ink in and we can finish this guy off. Just start off at the top of the head here. There we go. Just going to detail out the feathers on the side of his head. There we go. Let's get his eyes done here. He's got pretty big eyes. There we go. Okay, got those eyes in there. Let's work on this beak. Going to trace around here to the outside. Let's go back over here on this side, do the same thing. Work that outer corner of the mouth, and we're going to go to the top part of the beak here. Go to the other corner of the mouth. We'll even fill this in a little bit, give it a little more dimension here. Do the nostrils on the beak. We'll do like an upper lip of the beak right here. And then we'll do this lower part of the beak right there. And let's just give him a neck. Gotta have a neck. Put a little shadow under here to give it a little dimension. And there you go. You have yourself a pretty crazy looking duck. He's done. Just wipe out those pencil marks with an eraser and you are good to go. So we will see you on the next one. Have a great day.